Madison Higgins. I'm a physician assistant that works in the Kentucky Clinic, and I'm in the Kentucky Neuroscience Institute. I knew that I wanted a job interacting with people on a daily basis. And then in high school I took anatomy, and I just kind of fell in love with the science of that. And it was interesting, in undergrad I was split between medicine and something completely unrelated to medicine, but I chose the medicine path because I felt like it was more rewarding, and I'm really glad that I did. I see epilepsy patients, and I also see patients with multiple sclerosis. So my clinic is split between those two specialties. Most patients are referred to one of my attendings, and they'll see the new patients, and then I see patients in follow-up. I think the biggest part of medicine is being patient-centered. I think that's the most important factor that any provider, whether you're a physician, nurse practitioner, PA, dentist, I mean, you have to be patient-centered. These patients, some of them travel a long ways to see you, and I think they deserve your utmost attention during the appointment time, and I think, you really have to think about things from their perspective as far as cost, travel, and again, they really just want somebody to listen, and so I really try to think about that when I'm interacting with the patient. This is my first job as a physician assistant, and so working in an academic setting is really great for me because I have the attendings to teach me, and they're all very willing to teach, they're used to teaching, and then there's residents and interns at play too, and so we all kind of discuss cases and learn from each other, and so for me it's really enhanced the care that I provide the patient, and I think it enhances care across the board for patients. So the most rewarding and the coolest part about my job is to see patients do well and see patients improve, and especially when you can quantify it. So if I have an epilepsy patient come back and say, once you did this, once you started this medicine, my seizures decreased by 50%, or I haven't seized at all since last visit, or even an MS patient, their lives can really change if we get them on the right therapy, and so it's a really cool feeling to see them improve.